In this video, we will learn about air pollution. Now we know that pollution means either absence of wanted substance or addition of unwanted substance, which basically changes the property of a natural resource. Now air pollution can be defined as presence of unwanted solid, liquid or gaseous substance in the air whose concentration will be harmful for human being as well as detrimental for biotic and abiotic environmental conditions. Now, the sources of air pollution can be broadly classified into natural and man-made, that is anthropogenic sources. So first, if we see what are the natural sources of air pollution. One is these can also be categorized as biotic and abiotic. Now, biotic sources mean inclusion of pollen grains released by the plants during the pollination season. It could be spores from the fungi, ferns, and microorganisms, which can actually cause allergic reactions in humans. Second is abiotic sources, which includes forest fires, dust storms, volcanic eruptions that produce SPM. SPM stands for solid particulate matter, and also gases can be produced during these eruptions. And there are some gases which are emanating from the paddy fields, cattle, decaying plants and animals as well. Now coming to the man-made sources. So these sources of air pollution are vehicular exhausts released from industries and brick kilns, too much production of garbage by urbanized population and its burning. So the fast growth of population growth in case of humans has led to growing cities, unplanned urbanization and industrial development, increase in traffic and higher level of energy consumption which are produced by burning fossil fuels. Now the problem of air pollution is widespread in densely populated urban areas compared to our rural or suburban places. And in these areas we can see high concentration of industries, thermal power plants and brick kilns which can also contribute to the air pollution. Now if we see the contributing factors for air pollution, it includes industries, radioactive elements, biocides and pesticides, automobile exhaust, ionizing radiation, smoke, photochemical smog, heavy metals, etc. So first we will understand the first aspect of man-made source, that is the vehicles itself. Now we know that as the population increases, the dependency on the automobiles is also increasing due to the various transport issues. The automobile exhaust generate the gases, that is by burning of fossil fuels, which contain oxides of nitrogen and sulfur, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, suspended particulate matter SPM and polynuclear aromatic hydrocarbons, that is PAHs. All this will be exhausted from the vehicles, and unburnt hydrocarbons and nitrogen oxides cause formation of secondary air pollutants such as ozone at a lower level, that is O3, and PAN. PAN stands for peroxyacetyl nitrate, which is a major contributing factor in air pollution. So peroxyacetyl nitrate. Now, the manifold increase in the number of fossil fuels operated vehicles are mainly responsible for the deterioration of the air quality in major cities all over the world. So, using unleaded petrol and poor upkeep of vehicles are addition to the cause of this air pollution. Now, the second factor is industries, which are the major contributors after the automobiles. So the smoke and gaseous exhaust that are released from the chimneys and furnaces of metallurgic industries, cement factories, chemical industries, sugar and cotton textile mills, paper and pulp industry, petroleum refineries, coal-based thermal power plants, nuclear power plants, synthetic rubber manufacturing plants, all release gaseous pollutants and particulate matters into the atmosphere without the purification process. And this has been the major contributor in the urban cities. Now, if we see an estimate, that is, industries contribute to about 1/5 of the total air pollution Air pollution can also be caused due to leakage of gases from these industrial plants such as ammonia from urea plants, highly toxic chemicals such as methyl isocyanate from pesticide plants, etc. Air pollutants also contain fly ash and SPM, that is suspended particulate matter, which can cause major respiratory disorders. Other sources of SPM includes mining activities, metallurgy industry, stone crushers and quarries. Now, the third category is burning garbage. We know that urban and suburban, both the regions generate lot of garbage, and one way of getting rid of large accumulation of garbage is to burn them. So, garbage is basically an organic component of the municipal and commercial waste. It includes garden litter, forest debris, crop residue, weeds, and other vegetation waste. Open burning of these biomass and garbage is an important source of air pollution as it produces carbon dioxide, oxides of nitrogen, oxides of sulfur and suspended particulate matter in the form of smoke, soot and ash. And the last source is brick kilns. In conventional brick kilns, wood and coal are burnt to manufacture bricks. They need high temperature to prepare the bricks. And huge number of brick kilns is present in the vicinity of towns and cities as it is near to transport the bricks. It will be easier for the manufacturer. Now, the polluting gases such as carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, oxides of nitrogen and sulfur, and also particulate matter in the form of smoke and dust are produced from these kilns. In addition to CFCs, that is chlorofluorocarbons used in refrigeration industry, smog, acid rain, suspended particulate matter and deforestation, clearing land for other reasons also contribute to air pollution. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.